Guys, I'm so sorry that I had a bit posty, but what about my channel? Happy 16 today, 16, and I came up with the best idea ever. So right now I'm not in my bedroom, I'm in another bedroom. So I'm gonna be doing a chat on the bed. So this will be my sign. So I'm gonna be showing you guys what I'm gonna be bringing. So just saying all these two books. The statistics I will read. I'm doing a 20-minute hour statistics today because I want to head out with my sis. So my two books. So one this time so not so book and those books. This is actually not silly books, just so those. And I'll be back when I got my other son. Next to the house. Oh, sorry about that. I bounced it down. But wait. Next thing I'm going to be pretty is a pillow. It's some destructors. So it has this like 3 years and the sunny 3 years. I just see the right out. I was that sus, but the other thing is where I had it started and I started to through it and I really rushed it. So I was sitting with this and I found it. So yes, so that'd be it. So where I like maybe take naps. The next thing that has is my tablet. I also press it, but I'm not to be like I'm just to be tethering it. And yeah. We're doing that from that to it. So yeah. Now I'm gonna make my test. So I'll be back once I do my test. But guys, we're almost sitting down the balloon. They were just satisfied because they did really dark was a test. So I always need satisfied. So let's get to this video now. So guys, I'm right here. I'm going to be watching some TV, so I'll be back after I watch some TV. So guys, I'm done with watching a show. So now I'm just probably taking a nap and watch some more TV. So I'll be back after my nap. This is food, right? My sleep center is so distant. A sleep, wants to be, sleep, and wants to be. And so I sit sleep, I'm right here. Here. Guys, it has been like an hour has 2 hours. Like hour has 2 hours ish. Maybe 3 hours after this. 20 minutes. After a 20-minute nap, and then I wanted to keep pause a little bit while it's so salt that is it did too. But I going to probably just rest. And I had to edit this video now. I hope you like this video, guys. Thank you for BDP. I don't know what to say, but me and some volleyballs. You might know who was my best is. Or that episode you did me to the video. Yay, bye. Oh, by the way, let's do a fruit salad. Chance say that YouTubers. Sorry, let's play a minute, please. I'm set to